they're going to do this model, and these are the dimensions of it. As you could see, these. Okay, start up SolidWork. We're going to press on the part, change it to millimeters. Then we're going to choose the top view, polygon 3. We're going to change from here. The parameter should be 3, and then just try to get the vertical relation from it. Yes. Try to delete this. Then from the drawing, it's showing that we have a radius of 17 on the outer. I'm going to do it right now, 17, and then just click on here, and then click on here too, then click on here, and that would be it. Then from the drawing, is showing that the radius and this circle, they have the same starting, like the point of rotation. It's in the middle. So we're going to do a circle radius of 114. We'll get the circle tool, or from here on, from the right click, then from the origin point, we will just give a dimension of 114. Then we will make this point and this point as a coincident, and then this point and then this point coincident too. Let's make them, let's see, okay. Could do something else, which is just get the circle tool, and then from the first do it as 114, then change it to a construction. From here, click on it, and then construction geometry, then get the polygon, this, then okay, we could just get the relation that would be better for us. Yes, from here. Okay, now try to extend it a bit. Okay, great. Now we need to get the fillet. It's already on 17. Then this, then this, then this. That would be it. And then just drag this point to here. Make it coincident. Okay. Make this point with this point vertical, so it ensure that they are in a straight, and then delete this. Okay. Now we have the outer. Looks perfect. Okay. Now in this, if we do an extruded boss, we're going to have this filled out, and we don't need these circles. We will just make a hole, and then it's already going to not like fill them. We're just going to do one hole, then try to get the vertical relation. The diameter, it's 14, showing over here, 14. That's 14. Great. Okay. Now we will go to the circular pattern sketch, decrease that to 3, and then the parameters we set on the origin point, and then what do we need? It's this. That's perfect. Now we need these. We don't need these holes too, and we don't need this inner circle, showing here that there's a hole over here. So the hole from this dimension is giving us 40. So we'll just do 40. Okay, 40 millimeters. And then from the drawing, we have the circles on a circle, which is construction geometry of 60 diameter, and then the circles are 10 millimeters. So we'll draw a circle over here. Give me the circle, please. Okay. Right. Okay. Now, as this first circle, we will just get the vertical relation from it, and then make this circle or this circle, or the origin point a vertical. We just gave this, and then we know the dimension. We know the diameter of it's 10. Make sure it's over here 10. We will do the circular pattern again. Parameter should be the origin point, and then entities to Python. It's this, decrease that to 3, and then that's all. Great. Now we will just do an extruded boss base. We already have everything not filled. That's perfect. It's 10 millimeters. From here it's showing that over here it's this 10 millimeters. That's what we need, and then that's all. Okay. Now we need to do this big circle. It's really easy. We will use the reference and then the plane. Just click on the top plane and then reduce that to 0, make it 0. It always gives the offset. We will just going to put it 0. We want to start a sketch over here. So we made a new plane. A plane is basically an A4 paper for SolidWorks. We're going to press on the plane and then sketch, then come over here and then just draw a circle because we don't want this to be filled out, and then another circle of a diameter of 80. This is going to be 80. Great. And then we need these to not be filled out too. So let's see if we have any other details over here. Nah, there's nothing. So let's try something without the circular geometry. Okay. Can we just make it without the geometry? Okay. And then just reduce that to 3. Yeah. So we're going to do the extruded boss base. It's showing that it's 25 in total. We have it 10 from here, so it's going to be 15. And then this is 80, this is 40, this, yeah, that's all. Okay, now this should be 15, and that's all. Great. Okay, from the same plane, we want to do these notches, or whatever are they called. We'll do it then. Okay, so plane 1 on here, we're going to do a circle. That's 1, and then another circle. There in the drawing it's given that it should be a diameter of 26. That's a diameter of 26, and then here we have it as a 14 from the first. Okay, to make sure that we're going to put the line in the correct position, we need to have the center lines from up and down as X or Y. Okay, come on. Now we will get the line tool, and then we're just going to draw a line over a vertical line from here to there. Great. And then from here to there. Great. Now we need this area to be shaded as here. We gotta do something which is fill it, not the fill it tool. Yeah. So we're going to just use the third option and then press on here, and then we will get the tangent relation. That's what we need. It's still not shaded out. What we need is to cut this circle, and this circle should be shaded out that way. That's perfect. Now we need these 3 too, so we're going to use the circular pattern. Okay, the parameters, reduce that to 3, and then what do we need? It's this, or we could just yeah, we could just do this. Okay, it's looking perfect. And then that's all. Okay, the only thing left, it's, we could just do it again, the circular pattern, and then the origin point, and then reduce that to 3, and then this. Okay, tamam. That's all what we need. And then from for the extruded boss base, we need it to be 5 millimeters from the bottom. We already have 10 from this base, and then this should be 5. Then that will be 5 millimeters. That's really good. Now, the last thing left for us is the fillet. We have, it's 1.5. It's showing here it's 1.5. Then we'll just use the any faces, and then press on any. Let's hide the plane on any edge. Oh, we have 3 edges, by the way. We need to fill this edge, and then this edge, and then this edge. For this, we're going to press on any edge that we want to fillet it. It should be 1.5, and then we'll come over here. It's already going to do it directly, and then this. Let's see if we go. Yeah, that's 2. Okay, let's do this. So we want only this, and then we need this too, but we don't need the circles. So can we just get the, yeah, this one? Tamam. You'll do this, and that's all. But here we have a mistake over here. It's over filleted here. And then do you have any other place? Yeah, this place too. And then yeah, this place. Okay, that's easy. We're just going to edit the feature, and then if we could just delete this and delete this and delete this. Okay, which that's going to be okay. We need to fix this and then just come back to this again. Then we have here too, there's a mistake over here. Okay, okay, delete that. You know what, please selection better. Okay, good. And then just press on this, then press on that. Yeah, that should be done. Yeah, that's all. That's all what we need. And kinda easy, kinda useful too. We use many circular patterns in this model. Hope you got something from it. See you. Bye bye.